We started making things in Japan over 100 years ago. We've always focused on making our products easy to use and durable. And we keep asking ourselves one question. What is true quality for our customers? Our answer? Deliver uncompromising product reliability, especially where your food depends on it. We keep testing our refrigerators for toughness to make sure cooling performance can overcome the challenges of various seasons and climates to protect foods. We ensure that cooling performance remains consistent, even under varying temperatures. Precise temperature control helps keep food fresh and flavorful. Since food cultures vary around the world, we ensure optimal cooling for every kind of food. And we take care to make things truly easy to use. In a Panasonic breakthrough, we moved the compressor from the bottom to the top, creating more usable space you can easily reach. Because you use it every single day, it has to be reliable for years to come. We make our products with care and consider their journey all the way to your home. Unchanging quality worldwide. Panasonic is there for you. Wellness begins with healthy eating. Japan quality.